Oh, on your laptop.
Listen, thanks for leaving me in a parking lot. She wants me to take her out tonight.
Good. Seems like a nice girl. Good head on her shoulders.
She's married with 4 kids.
Darlene has 5. Just saying. 4 fit in a car. You gotta stack 5.
She's married.
Prove she can keep a man.
I'm not going out with her.
You want to be single forever?
She's not single. You want me to move in with her and her husband?
Imagine. I'm messaging her.
Don't message her.
Through Jessica. I banned her in your social media.
Okay, don't message her. Just leave it.
I told you I like your boots. Oh, I'm just figuring this out. She messaged back.
What'd she say?
Call me.
No, don't call her. Leave it alone. Don't do it.
Hi! Yes? I do love your boots. No, yeah. Well, he's supposed to take you out, right? I know. I told him that. Well, he's always been a bit shy with the ladies. Yes! Okay. Yes, that sounds great. Okay, bye. There you go.
What was that?
We're gonna grab a drink. She never gets to go out. I'm just sitting here talking to you, so don't wait up. Last time I went out on a whim like this, I ended up with you.
Jesus.
She's had nothing to do with it.
Oh.